going to discuss the string functions. We just learned about the strings and their basic operations. Now we will dive into the string functions, which incredibly useful in any applications you create. We can't cover all the string functions in one video, but we will focus on the most commonly used common string functions. First, we will look at common string functions that work on all iterable data types like lists, sets, dictionaries, and tuples. These functions also work on strings. Number 1, length, len. The len function counts the number of the characters in a string. For example, s assigns hello. Print len of s, output is 5. Max and min. The max function returns the characters with the highest ASCII values and min returns the characters with the lowest ASCII values. S assigns banana. Print max of s, output is n. Print min of s, output is a. Sorted. The sorted function sorts the characters in the strings in ascending order based on ASCII values. The result is a list of characters like s assigns apple. Print sorted s, output is a, e, l, p, p. To sort in descending order, use the reverse assigns true parameter. Print sorted s, reverse assigns true. Output is p, p, l, e, a. String specific functions. Now let's move to the functions that are specific to the strings. You can't use these on lists or dictionaries. Capitalize title, upper, lower, and swap case. Capitalize the first character of the string. Title capitalizes the first character of each word. Upper converts all characters to uppercase. Lower converts all characters to lowercase. Swap case swap the case of all characters uppercase to lowercase and vice versa. Examples: s, it is raining. Print s dot capitalize, output is raining. Print s dot title, output it is raining. I is capital, I of s is capital, and r of raining is capital. Print s dot upper, output is it is raining. It is all capital characters in this sentence. Print s dot lower, output is it is raining. All characters in the sentence becomes in lowercase. Print s dot swap case, output is it is raining. Because the input was all in lower cases, so the result is all the characters in this sentence are upper cases. Count. The count function counts the occurrences of a substring in this string. S is equal to banana. Print s dot count of a, output is 3. Find and index. Both find and index returns the position of the first occurrence of a substring. The difference is that find returns -1 if the substring is not found, while index raises an error. S assigns a hello word. Print s dot find of o, output is 4. Print s dot index of o, output is 4. Print s dot find of x, output is -1. Start with and end with. These functions check if a string starts or ends with a given substring. S assigns a hello word. Print s dot start with of hello, output is true. Print s dot ends with word, output is true. Format. The format function is used to insert values into a string. This is useful when you need to create dynamic strings. Name assigns Alice, age assigns 12. Print hello, my name is curly braces and I am curly braces years old. Dot format into name and age. You can also use named placeholders. Print hello, my name is name and I am age. Years old dot double quotes dot format into name assigns name and age assigns age. Is functions. These functions check for specific conditions in the string and return true or false. Is Alnum check if all the characters are alphanumeric. Is alpha check all the characters are alphabets. Is digit check all the characters are digits. Is lower check if all the characters are lowercase. Is upper check if all the characters are uppercase. Examples: S assigns hello 1 2 3. Print S dot is a num, output is true. Print S dot is alpha, output is false. Print 1 2 3 dot is digit, output is true. Split and join. Split splits the strings into a list of words. Join a list of strings into a single string. Example: S assigns who is the Prime Minister of India. Words assigns S dot split. Output is who is the Prime Minister of India. Print dot join words, output who is the Prime Minister of India. Replace. The replace function replaces a substring with another substring. S assigns I like apple. Print S dot replace apples oranges. Output is I like oranges. Strip. The strip function removes leading and trailing spaces. S dot hello. Print S dot strip. Output hello. Bonus tips and tricks. Trick 1. Swap variables using multiple assignments. You can swap the values of two variables without using a temporary variable. AB assigns 510. AB is assigns B 8. Print AB, output is 10 5. Trick 2. Reverse string. You can easily reverse a string slicing. S assigns Python. Print S double colon minus 1. Output is no HTYP. Trick 3. Check for substring. Use the in keywords to check if a substring is present in a string. S dot hello word. Print word in S, output true. With these functions, tips and tricks, you will be able to handle strings efficiently in Python. Try experimenting with different functions and see how they can be useful in your projects. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.